Hi guys, welcome back to the Coal Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be a Parabens video, and this line from Parabens is their natural fusions, and today you're going to see me use their products. These are the results from the styler. But before we get into this wash day tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. So when I was in Clex and I was walking down the hair care aisle, I saw this brand from Parabens and it immediately drew my attention. And what drew my attention wasn't necessarily the packaging, but the ingredients written on the packaging. I was like, I have to get this, I have to try it. So I bought it and I just couldn't wait to do a wash day routine. So now we're going to start off with me shampooing my hair. So I started off with the shampoo. This is a cleansing shampoo, so just be careful guys. I will talk about the results as well. This is the Parabens Natural Fusions Micellar Rose Water Cleanser, and that's what got me. A Micellar Rose Water Cleanser. I was like, Raquel, you've got to try this. And it's a clarifying shampoo, as I said, and it promises to gently clarify and nourish the hair. And it also says that it's naturally sourced and it's 95% natural ingredients. Like the stuff written on here, I just had to get it. Something else on the packaging, it says no sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates, no mineral oil, and no gluten. Parabens, I'm going to give it to you, just me personally as a consumer. Everything that you wrote on here literally drew my attention and I just had to buy this range. Something really groovy about this is that the nozzle, you kind of just turn it up and then you pour out the shampoo. I mean, it was so soft. I enjoyed the wash day. It cleansed my hair really nice. I did have to use quite a bit, but a little goes a really long way with the shampoo. The experience was really nice. Rinsing it out, it rinsed out. It was like the best rinse out I've ever done on a shampoo. And I think it has something to do maybe with the micellar water, but it was just really nice. It rinsed out quickly. My hair did feel a bit stripped, and I guess it's a clarifying shampoo, but what I really liked were the results. I was so surprised that my hair had a bit of a shine to it, and I deep conditioned off camera because they didn't have a deep conditioner in this range. And when I was deep conditioning off camera, or rather before, I looked at my hair and I was like, my hair's got a really nice shine to it. So overall, I really did enjoy the shampoo. It's a really nice clarifying shampoo, and I am impressed. Next, I started my styling routine, and they only had a leave-in conditioner and a styler. As I said earlier, there was no deep conditioner, and I started off with the leave-in. Just like the other Parabens, it comes in a spray bottle. I don't care for spray bottles, but for the purpose of the video, I did spritz it all over my hair. It came out fairly nicely on the right side of my hair, but once I had to use my left hand to start spraying, it got really difficult for me. But I did spritz it all over my hair. I did rake it through my hair. I like a leave-in conditioner to coat my hair. Liquids don't do that for me personally. I know some people like a light leave-in conditioner. Personally, not me, but I did spritz this all over my hair. This is the Parabens Natural Fusions Mallow Root Leave-in Conditioner, and it promises a smooth comb through as well as detangling. Like the shampoo, it's naturally sourced and it's 95% natural ingredients. No sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates, no mineral oil, and no gluten. For me, this was just okay. Didn't care for the application at all. Before I move on to the styler, I do have the leave-in in my hair. My hair is soft. It did a good job, even though it was a spray that I personally don't care for, but I did think that the leave-in did do a good job. I did make sure that every curl was coated with it. I detangled during the deep conditioning process, so I don't know if it promoted detangling, but it did an okay job. Finally, the styler. This also just got my attention in the hair care aisle because this is the Natural Fusions from Parabens. This is the Rosemary and Aloe Curl and Quench Gel Styler. I was like, another aloe styler. I really want to try this, and it promises definition and hold without the crunch. Also naturally sourced, 95% natural ingredients, no sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates, no mineral oil, and no gluten. Now I do have the styler in my hair. In the video you're going to see me apply it in larger sections. The gel was really nice. It comes in this pump bottle. You pump it out. The gel is soft to the touch. It glides through the hair. Didn't coat my hair. It kind of felt like nothing was going on my hair, but I knew that gel was going on my hair, so I did use a lot. As I said, I could apply it in larger sections, so the application was very quick. The rosemary smell didn't overpower it. Sorry, I forgot to talk about the scents. This had a very light smell. The aloe wasn't overpowering. The rosemary wasn't either, so it was a bit of an okay smell. The same with the leave-in and the shampoo as well. The smells were not overpowering, they weren't fruity. It was just like a pleasant smell. So back to the styler, guys. These are the results. My hair is soft to the touch, no crunch. If you're looking for a styler that's going to give you no crunch, this delivers. I've got definition, I've got hold, I've got a little bit of length, a lot of volume for day 2 hair. Overall, I'm very happy with this styler. It did not disappoint. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video using the Parabens. This is their Natural Fusions line. Overall, I'm happy from the Curl Factory. I'm so glad I bought it. I saw it on the shelf. I was like, I have to try this, and I'm so glad I did. Drop your comments down below. I do have other videos using the Parabens olive oil line as well. I haven't tried their coconut line. I'm not sure why, but I hope you enjoyed this video, as I said, and I'll see you again. Take care.